Ever dream of building an online income without starting from scratch? Picture people scrolling through their phones, sipping coffee in cozy cafes, or working from the comfort of their homes. The digital world is brimming with opportunities, waiting for you to seize them. With ready-made digital products, anyone can start today. Imagine ebooks, templates, and online courses at your fingertips. No coding skills are required, no tedious product creation. Best of all, you keep 100% of the profit, making your entrepreneurial journey rewarding from the get-go. It's as simple as 3 steps: download, customize, and sell. Visualize bold text animations guiding you through this straightforward process, empowering you to take action and transform your ideas into income. On this channel, you'll find beginner tutorials, step-by-step guides, and success tips to help you build your own online business. Watch as others thrive, learning on laptops and phones, with charts rising and success within reach. Subscribe and start your digital journey today. Envision a life of freedom, traveling, relaxing, or working flexibly, all while earning online. The adventure awaits. Take the first step now.